Hey everyone, it's Sue, and today's extra video is going to be short and sweet, kinda like me. Oh, just kidding. I'm really 6'4". Oh, yeah, I know what you're thinking, but the camera really does take away 5 inches. Actually, it's more like a lot of inches, but anyway, let's move on. So speaking of short, February, it was a very short month, and it whizzed by really fast, and March kind of took me by surprise. And the first Wednesday of March kind of got me a little unprepared. So in case you guys didn't remember, in lieu of Wacky Wednesdays, the first Wednesday of every month I'm going to be doing a live stream. Now I would like to do some paint-along live streams, but they take a little bit more work to prepare. I have to find a painting that I can also paint and chat, which is kind of tricky, and I have to give you guys a lengthy list of supplies, because with COVID I know some of you may have to order supplies, or you may have to have time to go out and get them, just like a canvas and some acrylic paint. But still, I'd like to give you a lengthy list of things that you need so that you're ready to paint with me if you choose. Now don't get scared away. If you're not a painter, you can still hang out and chit chat away. That's what the live stream's all about. But I thought I would let you know that I am going to be doing a live stream this Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I will be making another card. So last time I made a really cool never-ending card, because your support of my channel is never-ending, and my appreciation of you, my supporters, is also never-ending. So if you want to check out that live stream just to get warmed up, you can click on the link above. But today's card is going to be a little bit different, and the idea was actually given to me by my friend Leigh's art studio from down under in Australia. So I will put her information down under in the description box. So check out her channel. She is an amazing artist. But she actually suggested making a waterfall card, and I thought that's kind of a neat interactive card. So this one will be a spring themed, or you could make it Easter, whatever you like. But I am going to be putting a list in this description box below of the materials that you'll need, but basically any card making supplies. So some cardstock, glue tape, some pretty stickers, pretty paper, that kind of thing. And I will walk you through how to make a really cool waterfall card. But again, if you're not into crafting, you can still come, hang out, chit chat, and let's get to know each other. That's this Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you there.